Nice little inside bend there. But check this out. Look how packed that is. All underneath all that moss. That stuff is like cement. This whole bank. It's like a 2-foot bank. Here fishing here. The Arkansas, a little bit upstream from where I'm at. Look at that up here. It's a floodplain. And look at how this comes in here. Got some big ass fish jumping. All right here. It's too bad you can't dig under the trees, but still there's plenty of space. Like there's some float quartz right there. All up under here. This inside band right here on the river. It's like a real big dead zone, but you can see the rapids up there. Huge fly fishing. I gotta come back and do some sampling here. We're gonna come back up over here. Check it out back here. This is like a big old floodplain. See how this stuff is all cemented in. So this is, boy, if it's here, it's got to be deep. Because water doesn't get back here too often. Back in these reeds. All back here. Big old dead zone right there. So it makes sense that gold might drop out. But here, I've done a couple sample pans and it's got to be deeper. Because, yeah, this stuff, I went about 6 inches down and nothing. Got some decent black sands though, but it's got to be deeper. So I need a pick and my shovel. I just did it with a little hand shovel. But yeah, okay. See, look at this. This is old stuff. It's just all cemented in there. Wow. I'd probably need a crevice tool to kind of pick out these rocks. Be a good spot to try though. Looks like it was a sand deposit. Just how the flow comes. And then it just kind of stopped here, and this is where it kind of just settled out. So this must have been like an eddy or something right here. Something for the, because it's a small area. So this probably was an eddy when it was flooded. Alright. Follow down, follow down. Here I am. Been killing it today on the fish. Got 3 nice trout. So, but man, they're jumping all out there. You can see on that water line, it's about 2 feet. Figure all the way across. It comes to this bank right here. And this is where it starts. All kind of lets out. So I did a couple sample pans right there, nothing, but like I said, I'm sure it's deep. It's got to be deeper. Okay. Alright? I'm gonna let you go. Y'all be cool. If it pans, later.